Hi Capricorn, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Capricorn. Today's reading is going to be different, Capricorn, for your past and present situation of your love situation, guys. We are picking few cards first and few more cards for the future of this love, guys. So these are the cards for the future of your love, of your relationship, guys. So we will start with the past and the present situation cards, guys. So these are the cards. So we have Queen of Pentacles, Page of Cups, and Ten of Swords. So in this love, in this connection, guys, maybe in your past, someone was here giving you some important suggestions, maybe what you need to do for this love, or what should be the right thing for you, what should be the next step for you to proceed in a positive way in this connection, guys. Or maybe you were taking help from someone, maybe you were taking some suggestions from someone, or it may be your energy or their energy, guys. Maybe this person was studying or planning for higher studies, or uh, they were planning for higher studies, and they would have helped you a lot. This will be your energy or their energy, guys. So it was something from your past. So maybe this person has was a great help. So they were very caring, nurturing, helping you in every way. And maybe this person uh, would have left for higher studies or for work or some reason. So that would have caused a lot of stress for you. They are leaving you suddenly, so you were dependent on them. This person was that great emotional support for you. So this person leaving you all of a sudden, it would have thrown you into darkness, guys, and lot of stress and sadness. You would have cried a lot, you would have missed them crazily, guys, in your past. So that is what I see, guys, with these cards for your past situation. So let's see what is the present. So future, guys. So we have Ten of Pentacles in reverse, Temperance, and Ace of Cups in reverse. So with these cards, Capricorn, for your love situation in the future, maybe you are in a situation today, guys, uh, maybe in your future. Sorry, guys, it is about your future. So, in your future, maybe for some of you, things are, what to say, there is a good chance that things will go in a very good way with this love or with another uh, person, with another connection. So, there is a good chance. That is what I see. So, for most of you, it will be a positive thing happening in your future. You will have that understanding with this person, love, harmony. But for few of you, you may not have that positive outcome, guys, in your future. Maybe for some of you, you the way things went in your past, it has left a great mark in your heart. So you are unable to trust anyone, guys. You are unable to believe whatever they say. So maybe that person loves you, that person has that respect and caring for you, but you may not reciprocate the same way towards them, guys. You may not feel the same way about this person you love. So, but whatever your situation is, you are finding that harmony and balance in your situation in future, guys. So maybe for some of you, your circumstances will be good, things will be going in a very positive way. But for some of you, the circumstances may be bad, but still, no matter what your circumstances are, you have that happiness, peace, and joy in future, guys. Capricorn. So that is what I see with these cards, Capricorn, for your future, and that is the reading. If you want a more detailed reading, you can watch the oracle guidance that is coming up right now, guys. For your general oracle guidance, guys, these are the cards. So this is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your situation, close your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So we will start with the first card, guys, after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, let's start with this card. Let's see what it is. It is Clean It Up. So that is the card for y'all. So with this card, the energy is, it just means getting to the core of a situation, freedom from burden. So every now and then we feel bogged down by that emotional gunk that we have. So maybe we are surrounded by clutter in our house or in our work situation, overwhelmed. So it is time to clean the house today. So everything that is out of place, everything that is not needed there, when it is there, it just occupies that place and it, what to say, it creates a negative energy in our situation, guys. It takes up that energetic space. So every unpaid bill or unnecessary thing, when it is removed, we are cleaning our energetic space. So when we just make room for ourselves, we are just giving more space for miracles to take place in our life. So we need to make space for that positivity to come into our life, guys. So anything unresolved you have to go for that, guys. You have to sweep it away today. So that is the reading with this card. That is the guidance with this card, guys, for those who have chosen this first card. So let's see what is the second card here for those who have chosen this card. This card, Mookaite Jasper. So let's see. With this card, guys, the energy is that this is a time for you to go on a new adventure. Maybe take few risks, experience that unknown territory in your life. So the safe road is not the one you need to take right now, guys, because your soul is on the path of healing and it wants to experience that fulfillment and joy today. So this crystal, it stands for that adventurous mode of living, guys. Do not protect yourself, do not hold back from getting hurt. For this crystal is here to encourage you to take that leap, take that risk, have that confidence from knowing that Universe is here guiding you each and every step of the way, guys. So you need to let go of your worries, your old beliefs. So step out and take that path, take that risk maybe. So you need to be on a adventurous mode and say no to playing it safe, guys. So this crystal stands for that adventure, and through adventure, you are going to discover that wonderful gifts are waiting for you, new ideas, new people, new experiences, new possibilities are here right now, ready for you. So, all you need to do is to be bold and take that first step. So, that is the guidance with this card, guys, for those who have chosen the second card. And that is the reading for today. Thank you for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.